There is this problem that most Telegram users face, probably when logging in with a new number, and one of the viewers that previously watched my videos commented a sensitive comment. Now, when addressing such issues, we need to put some things in mind, and these are one of the things that we can consider in a similar situation like this. Number one option, we need to request for an SMS code. On the verification screen, you will see the option of a receive code via SMS. And after, you need to select the option of a receive code via SMS. After selecting this option, make sure that you have the SIM card in the phone. If you fail to see the SMS option, then I advise you to download Telegram X. I've linked the link in the description of this video, and try to download it and try it out. I guarantee you will see the option of send code via SMS. After, the code will be delivered to your SMS inbox. You go check it out and you restore your account back. Right? All these options have no work for you. Then let's go to the other method. What you also have to do is you need to check your previous versions, your previous accounts. You may have logged into different devices and you don't actually remember that you logged into those particular devices. So what you have to do is you have to reconsider checking out all these devices that you've logged into, so I get a clear picture of whether Telegram is sending the code to all the devices, or it is accidentally still thinking that you're still using these accounts. I know you may ask yourself that, how can I do this? The only way to do this is to look for those devices. That's how the Telegram security system work. That's how they protect your account from being hacked or something like that. So you need to look for those devices and log out. Don't just uninstall the app. Still, it will register that it's still in that device. So you just have to log out from that particular device. Then the other option is contacting Telegram support. If you see that nothing is working out, just contact Telegram via their official website or in the app itself. I've placed the link in the description below. If you have not yet watched my previous videos, go and watch them out. It will give you a clear picture of these Telegram challenges that people face and how we can solve these problems. So the other thing that we have to consider is using the two-step verification. I know this is insane. Two-step verification helps you protect your account. For instance, if you have multiple devices you're logged in, the only way to prove that this account belongs to you is using two-step verification. I just urge you please that after restoring your account, apply the two-step verification in your account. So next time, if anything happens, you'll be able to get back your account easily. Now let's also look at the pros and cons. Pros. Telegram security measures protect user accounts from unauthorized access. Then multiple login options, for example SMS, app code, and so many ways. Provide flexibility. Then let's look at the cons. Recycled phone numbers can lead to login complications. Then limited options if the number is still associated with an old account. Before we conclude, I want to emphasize on this point. I know this comment may have meant something else, but again I have to take it to something else still. If you're using a new phone number and you're very sure that it's only you that has used that phone number, and you're not getting the verification code, it is important for you to contact your service provider for your home network, the one that you're using. Sometimes they may have whitelisted SMSs from Telegram, or you may have to try using another phone number still, testing out like, will another phone number work? Will this particular not work? We'll have to try those multiple avenues to make sure that things work out for us properly, and we avoid having complications in different ways or in particular ways, something like that. So it is up to you to take a chance. Use the old number, use the new number, try another number. If they don't really work, then it may be an issue with your phone, or it may be an issue with something else. You never know. And yeah, that has been it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.